Hello and welcome to our channel. Today at Botanic Boost, we are making a simple, soothing onion and honey cough syrup perfect for children. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. All we need for this video today is onion and honey, but for extra benefits you might want to use garlic, ginger, lemon, sage or other beneficial plants. When making honey and onion cough syrup, it is generally recommended to use locally sourced raw and unprocessed honey for its benefits. You see, I use honey from my homeland because I am sure it is unprocessed and it is raw. Honey has been used to treat a variety of ailments since ancient times, and there has been a number of scientific studies that examine the effectiveness of honey alone in treating cough, especially in children. Now, why add onion to honey? Onion has been used by several cultures for thousands of years as herbal medicine. Onions contain certain properties that help relieve cough. Onion contain compounds that help act as natural expectorants. It helps to thin and loosen mucus in the respiratory tract. It equally contains compounds that combat bacteria and viruses that may be causing cough in the respiratory tract. It equally contains compounds that can fight against inflammation. In addition to that, onions have compounds that are soothing to the throat and others that might just be right for boosting the immune system. So all you need to do is just roughly peel the onion and clear out the back of the onion and slice it into tiny bits and prepare either a jar or a clean bowl. For this recipe, I use 2 different bowls because I have 2 children of different ages. In one, I'm going to do just a simple onion and honey cough syrup. In the other, I am going to add a little bit of garlic for my 5-year-old to get the benefits of more antibacterial benefits from the garlic. So I will just chop the garlic in tiny pieces and add to the mixture. All I have to do now is just pour the honey over the bowls and let it sit for about 24 hours. I'm going to cover it with cling film, as you see, to have the syrup actually get extracted. So normally you can keep it for 24 hours before using. However, if you are in urgent need of it, you can cover it and set it in a cool place away from sunlight and take out the first spoons already after 30 minutes. So I took it out and let it to sit for a while before giving the babies the first spoon. This can be kept in the fridge. If you label it, put it in a jar or in a bowl, keep it in the fridge for about 2 weeks, and about 30 to 45 minutes after, you can see it has some juice out already. You can take out the spoon already now and give it to your child who needs to take it. So that's my daughter waiting. She's going to get a spoon right now before I put the rest into the fridge. So yeah, you should take note of the fact that you can't give this syrup to children below 12 months because of the honey. Children below 12 months are not recommended to take honey. So don't feed this syrup to any child below 12 months. And if the babies or the children are having persistent cough, make sure to consult a medical practitioner. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell. Thank you guys once more for watching this video.